How to delete Uber account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can easily delete Uber account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to delete Uber account, you want to simply head over and open up Uber. Once you have opened up Uber, make sure you're logged into your account that you wish to delete. Here now you want to tap on the account tab at the bottom of your screen at the bottom right corner essentially, then let it load up. Here again now you want to tap on settings. Once you tap on settings now, simply head over to your profile here. You can also directly head into privacy. Tap on privacy here. Once you tap on privacy here now, let the privacy page open up and scroll down below. Here you shall find the option account security. Under it you can see account deletion. Tap on it. And now you want to confirm your verification, and once you confirm it, you'll be able to find delete account option and you can go ahead and delete it. This is how you can easily delete your Uber account. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comment down below if you have any further issues as well.